The history of flour milling. Scarcely anywhere else does nature and the human inventive spirit complement each other more fruitfully. Many thousands of years of experience. The application of all forces. This history has turned over a new chapter. CMS Compact Milling Systems Austria presents a new patented short milling process for the production of high-quality flour for baking. A successful company in the heart of Europe. The most modern logistics for creative staff. Every detail of the compact CMS milling plant is planned on modern CAD units. The planning and production teams work on a door-to-door basis. This is the only way to swiftly implement customer requirements and to produce quality, without the handicap of crippling department walls. All plants are assembled mechanically and electrically in the works within the system framework of 20-foot containers and put into operation with the product before delivery. This gives both you and us the certainty of a speedy and economic startup at location. CMS is a Class 1 certified welding operation. Customer training and product development are the top priorities at our in-house research and training mill. CMS compact mills are available in 3 standard sizes. CMS 900 with a 900 kg hourly production consists of a 20-foot cleaning container and a 20-foot mill container. The CMS 1800 with a 1800 kg hourly production consists of 3 containers, and the CMS 2700 consists of 5 containers. All multiples are possible from 900 upwards by simply putting together several containers. And this is how a CMS compact mill works. The silo clean grain is prepared in this 20-foot cleaning container for the milling process which is to follow. Volume proportioning screw for dosing. Easily adjustable feed of the grain into the plant. The combi stoner operates highly efficiently with vibration and blow sifting and reliably removes the most varied impurities. Careful husking and moistening of the grain at the first damper phase, and removal of the remaining impurities at the second damper phase. Easy adjustment of the water quantity required. Control of the entire unit by means of SPC. The grain is conveyed pneumatically from the conditioning area to the milling container. The first of the 2 milling phases takes place in the 4th cylinder mill with the aim of achieving an optimal yield of light-colored quality flour. Mr. Dick, inventor of the DFM short milling process and a CMS partner, testing the results. In the plant sifting machine, the various coarse meals and 4 components are classified and pneumatically conveyed away to further processing phases. The disintegrator for the main flour milling. Mr. Dick and Mr. Imre testing the quality of the various flour types. All processes can be controlled by hand or automatically in SPC. Modern, reliable plant control for simple and safe operation. Checking the main flour in the large cylindrical sieve. A modern jet filter with compressed air cleaning removes the dust from all the conveyor air. Darker grade flours are obtained from the small cylindrical sieve machine. Behind this is a semolina winnower. In addition, CMS can offer a whole series of decisive advantages. Low space requirement with high performance, significant savings on buildings. Ready for operation. The plant is supplied completely assembled and ready set up with product by CMS Austria. Significant assembly and startup cost savings. Simple, speedy process. The patented short milling process needs no highly qualified staff. Flexible. The same process can be used to process different grain types such as wheat, rye, maize or sorghum to high-quality baking flours. Decentralized supply. Loaded onto trucks, CMS mills are ideal for use in a decentralized supply of the population. Own training and development center. An overall planning concept including peripheral plant made by experienced producers. After-sales service. CMS, a new chapter in the history of flour production.